Here at Honeywell, Sundyne headquarters in Arvada, Colorado, we engineer and manufacture pumps and compressors for the energy, petrochemical, chemical, and industrial power industries. We are proud to be an OSHA VPP star-rated site and have been recognized as Industrial Equipment Manufacturer of the Year at the Colorado Manufacturing Awards. Our technology is rooted in decades of innovation, from the first water injection pumps for commercial jets in the 1960s. Honeywell Sundyne compressors play an important role in processing liquefied natural gas by removing impurities and carbon capture for storage or utilization. These highly reliable products have sustained thousands of deployments in some of the world's most demanding environments. We are proud to enable our customers to experience safer and more efficient operations that help improve the environment and the world.